I'm hiring 3 employees now. Let's go for hire employee. Let me hire 3 employees here. Pick the employees on 23. For any doubts are there, please ask me. I'll clarify it. Father's name is required. Someone might have added additional field. What's that? Okay, so that's by that time it's not updated. Okay, no issue. So I would like to add employee contacts details, nothing but employee parents details or sister or spouse details. Where we can add? Where do we add that details? That we can add here only. While hiring an employee, you will find 5 tabs: identification, person information, employment, compensation, and other information and review. When we go for person information tab, we generally enter home address, which is mandatory. Without a home address, we cannot hire employee. Then we'll find phone details, email details, legislative information, marital status, citizenship, passport information, visas information. There's all details we are going to enter right here: citizenship, passport, and visas. Here, contact name will be specified. For contacts also, the number will be generated. It's another important question in the interviews. Do we find any separate number? So they are also persons, but they are not going to be an the numbering part here. But we can generate the number. Let's say we are going to specify employee spouse details. It won't take much details. Let's say she is working as an sales executive, and phone number I'm not going to update. So just enter the information. That's contact details, and click next button. Let's complete the remaining process. Father's name is a required field. Okay, let me go back. There might be some additional field. Let me cross check that. Let me highlight the flux fields. It's asking some fields are mandatory. We have project name here. National identification. Okay. So let me choose the action and action reason. Let's change this. Person number automatically generated, and we enter the remaining information. In fact, we don't have any flux fields here. Let me click next button and click next button. It's a required field. Okay. Do we have any additional field someone has added? No, it's not there. And how come it's coming? What's the problem? Maybe it is because of the other issue. I have not done anything. It's accepted now. So maybe somebody trying to personalize the page. At the same time, so I'm going to assign the manager here. Let me go down here. Manager details I'm going to add. I'm specifying Curtis Karen is the line manager. Curtis Karen is line manager. And let's complete the process here. Submit. Like this, if any employee contacts information is required, we can capture at the time of working with person information tab. In person information tab, we can we can capture the employee contacts information. That we can also generate the numbers. Separate numbers will be generated for the contacts also. That we can find in the table. In the database table level, we can find that information. Now let me just go back to person management and search for the employee. And this is the employee we have captured. We can find those contacts information here. When we go back to person tab here, person, yes, here is the contacts. Emergency contact has created successfully. This is the relationship. In case if we want to go for add some more relationship contacts can be added, and of course we can change the start date and other information. Okay.